Carnival Liberty, Deck 6, Room 339. I'm going to give you guys a quick tour. This is a balcony room. And we are actually right now in Princess Cays. First time on the Liberty, so pretty excited. I really like the ship. The layout and design is really nice. The other boats I've been on have not have this style. And here is the vanity. So I'm just going to show you guys around a little bit. So we have one king bed here. And of course, this balcony rooms are a little bit smaller, not like a suite or anything, but they are a little bit larger than the standard rooms. The other nice thing about this boat is that it does come with a little cooler, fridge, whatever, so you can bring some water, wine. It's not super cold, at least the one we got, we had to get it replaced. But let me go ahead and show you the bathroom. So this is the shower. Of course, standard size, smaller little bit. And then what I like about this is it has like the little vanity mirror, which is nice. And then you have over here like shelving, which is cool. Also did not have this feature before, so kind of nice to have that. And then of course you have your standard closet. This has some shelving, got some weave, suitcases, closets, fun stuff, dresses. So pretty good storage space. And then you have all of these drawers in here. They could be a hair dryer. So yeah, and then this is a small TV, so it kind of sucks. You do have a safe in here, which you can actually unlock with your room keys. And we're actually celebrating our anniversary, so our guest service lady actually was so sweet, gave us chocolate covered strawberries and a bottle of wine, which was really nice. So that showed up complimentary in our room. And oh, another thing I wanted to tell you guys too, that if you play enough in the casino, you literally will get free drinks. So depending on if you're casino type person, slots, etc., literally you get 16 drinks per day. You have 5-minute intervals. It's similar to the Bubbles program, but literally, I mean, it's free. I guess you pay for it by obviously gambling, but it's not bad at all. That includes energy drinks, waters, alcohol, pretty much anything you want. 15 drinks a day, which is more than the Bubbles program, which costs even more. So it is worth it. Once you get 1,000 points, that's when you get this drink card. So I just thought I'd throw that out there. So yeah, the bed's pretty comfortable. And then one nice thing our steward did for us, we just found, was a gift card for a photo credit. So I feel like Carnival is stepping their game up with doing this, because we go on our anniversary every year for a cruise typically. So anyways, here's the balcony. So of course you have the curtain. more vlogs. Smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.